Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a how to take the perfect Polaroid picture video. So I'm going to give you guys basically all of my tips, all of my tricks, how to take the best pictures possible, and just like the ultimate guide to Polaroid cameras, specifically the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8. I have like 2 other Polaroid videos up on my channel and you guys seriously love them so much. The one where I like unboxed my camera like 2 years ago is like the second most viewed video on my channel, and you guys leave so many comments with like questions and saying that you want me to make more videos about my camera, so I thought I would make the video for you guys. I looked through those comments, so I'm going to be answering some of those questions and just sharing with you guys everything that I know. So guys, let's just get on with the video. So first I'm just going to talk about the basics of this camera. So here is mine. Like I said, it is the Fujifilm Instax Mini 8 Polaroid camera. I have mine in the blue color, but they have a huge range of colors that you can get, and it ranges from like $100 to $150 depending on the model that you get. Mine 2 years ago was around $100 and I got mine off of Amazon, but there are quite a few places where you can get these from. Such as Urban Outfitters, Walmart, maybe Best Buy. I just chose Amazon because I have Amazon Prime and I just use Amazon for like all of my online shopping. So when it comes to the film, this is typically what you're going to be getting. This is like the most basic film that you can get, like no patterns or anything crazy. It just says Fujifilm Instax Instant Film on it, and they come in cartridges of 10, and this is a 2-pack, so I got 20 pictures in this, and the like normal retail is about $20, but I recommend getting it off of Amazon, and you can get it for a lot cheaper. I think this is probably like $16, $17, $18, so you save a couple dollars, which over the longevity of time adds up. But you can also get film in Urban Outfitters stores, Walmart, and the other places that I talked about earlier. So that is kind of what is going on when it comes to the film. If you also want to be like super cute and artsy, there's like different accessories you can get where you like put a little bit, like a little lens over top of this, and it like changes the color of your picture to like be red or blue or yellow or etc, etc. You can also get little border stickers to put like on the border of your little Polaroid picture. Just different things like that. You can just play around with it, look it up on like Amazon or something, Polaroid accessories, and you will see them all there. When it comes to accessories, I personally recommend getting a case for it. This is the one that I have. It's just like a white one. Your camera goes right in here. It also has the straps. You can just like do like a little crossbody thing if you're like walking around town, want to get some cute pictures, but you don't want to just be like holding your camera. And it also just helps to protect it when traveling or just like when it's sitting around your room. It's protected in this little case. I just recommend that to help keep your Polaroid camera safe. Okay guys, so when it comes to actually taking the pictures, first we're going to talk about where to take them. I have had my camera for, like I said, 2 years, so I have a lot of experience. I've taken pictures like all around. I've taken them at the beach, in my room, outside, in the snow, like anything, you name it. I've taken Polaroid pictures and just kind of like experimented with the settings and like how everything works. And I found the best place to take pictures, like if you're just taking a picture with someone or like of yourself or something, is in your bedroom. Typically I take pictures, like Polaroid pictures, with people, so if that is the case for you, for most of your pictures I recommend doing it in your room. I will show you some of the pictures that I have. A tapestry on my wall, so I like to take them there and like sit on my bed with my friends, then just have someone else take the picture. I don't recommend taking selfies. They really don't turn out that great. You can't really see what's going on, so I recommend having someone else take the pictures for you. So here's one with me and my friend Joelle. This is me and my friend Sydney, and also Britton. Me and my friend Erica. I just find that the lighting like works really well in your bedroom. I have like fairy lights that I turn on and stuff, and it just turns out really well. And if you use the indoor setting on the camera, then it just works perfectly and you don't have any like crazy things going on with lighting. So just having like a nice clean background with the tapestry or whatever really helps to make the pictures more clear and like helps it to focus on you and everything like that. Now obviously you're still gonna want to take pictures outside, most likely. I have had some bad experiences taking pictures outside. So when it comes to the snow, I will just start with that because it's snowing outside right now. You really like, I just like don't take pictures in the snow anymore. This is one that I have with me and my friend Lexi outside in the snow. It kind of like turns a purplish color. The setting that I typically use is the cloudy setting. If you guys don't know, there's like 5 settings on here. I'm going to talk about that later, but I recommend using the cloudy setting just because it's probably going to be like overcast. Now, whenever I go to the beach, I try to take pictures. If you take pictures like actually on the beach, it just turns out like white because the sand like isn't that bright and like it's mostly sky, so that's kind of just a whole mess in itself. But this is one I tried to take of the sunset, and you can see that it didn't really turn out. So if you take pictures directly in the sun, it really doesn't work out. So you have to try to, like, if the sun is shining on me right now, you would want someone like where the camera is right now to take that picture. That is like a huge tip. Do not take pictures directly in the sunlight. You want the sun to be shining like on whatever you're taking. I also have this one. This is of a palm tree. It was a little bit better because I used that trick and I made sure that the sun was like on the other side of the tree, like shining on the tree and not in the background, so it would like mess it all up. So that one turned out a little bit better whenever I started to do that. And then now I'm kind of like an expert. I recommend, like, if you're taking pictures outside, make sure there's stuff in the background. You don't want just the sky because the sky tends to make it look really washed out and just turns out like white. So this is a picture that I have with my friend Lexi again, and you can see that there's like leaves in the back, and it makes it turn out a lot nicer because there's just like more details and it's not just the sky, because then you tend to look really like washed out and stuff. So that one turned out a lot better. You press this down right here, and it is now on, it's out, it's ready to take a picture. And then you can use these settings here. You just like rotate those, which, like I said, I don't like play too much around with the settings. I keep it pretty simple. If I'm inside, I use the indoor setting. If I'm outside, I normally use the cloudy setting, but there's also sunny, super sunny, high key. Not really sure. I just kind of stick to my basic settings. So then you take your picture and it's gonna come out of here. So then you'll get your little picture. It's gonna be like white. You won't see anything. Don't worry, it just still has to develop. I don't know if you guys have any experience with Polaroid pictures, but they have to develop. It takes probably like 10 minutes for the colors to be fully on there and good to go and like as bright as they're gonna get. So when it first comes out, I like to shake it. I know some people say not to shake it. I normally wait like 30 seconds after I take it so it can kind of like start developing, and then I'll go like this and I'll just shake it a little bit. Another big tip, I love doing this. You can use like the flash on your phone. You can just hold it up to like a light in your bedroom. I just like to hold it up there. Don't get it too close. I've had experiences where I like actually touched it to the light on accident and then it burned your picture. So be like really cautious when you're doing this, but I just like to hold it up there a little bit. I find that makes the colors more vivid. So I like to do that. I'll shake it some more. Then I just like let it sit for like 10 minutes after that until it fully develops, and then you're good to go. A good thing to do once you have a nice collection of Polaroids, probably like 10 to 20, you can get a little album. This is what I have. Don't mind this selfie there. That was the first Polaroid I took. So cringy. That's why you don't take selfies. It will turn out bad, just saying. So you can just put like your Polaroids in here. But also if you want to showcase your Polaroids, which a lot of people do, I do this. I have Polaroids all around my room. You can like hang them. Like there's hanging lights you can like connect your Polaroid to. Also, if you go to Urban Outfitters, they have like a ton of cute decor things, so I recommend going there. But I have like one of these. Actually, I have a few of these. So as you can see, it's just like a little case and there's like glitter floating around, and then there's the Polaroid camera in the back. Why do I keep saying that? Polaroid picture is in the back, not Polaroid camera, guys. So there's that Polaroid picture in the back. I actually have these put away, but my friend Joelle got me like little ornaments, which are just like that. So you can have like ornaments for your tree. There's just like a ton of different things you can do to showcase your pictures. They're just super cool, fun, they're instant, and a great way to, you know, document your memories. So those are all of my best tips that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. Leave any questions if you have like anything else you want to know. Leave comments down below. I will try to get back to you guys as quickly as I can. Click that little red subscribe button also to join the family, get notified every time I upload, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day. Bye!